Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, uh, December 11th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Freaky Friday did not disappoint today. It was as freaky as ever. You can see here with the Dow, after it closed yesterday right at 30,000, it gapped way down below that, penetrating this so-called floor that I keep talking about. Uh, it was below the floor for the majority of the day, but comes back the last 2 hours, and again, it actually closed up today 47 points. So, in spite of these penetrations below the 30,000 floor that I keep talking about, the stock market, or the Dow, Dow Jones Industrial Average, has yet to close below 30,000. I don't know what that means, uh, but I would say the floor probably still is intact, but it's looking a little shaky right now. And of course, all this zigzagging and reversing totally screwed us today. Yesterday, I was pretty optimistic. We had an all green day, meaning all our positions were green on the close yesterday. We had $12,000 positive in open trade equity on the close yesterday, and we saw this all go up in smoke this morning on the open, or the first hour or so. We saw $12,000 positive go to closing out with 1,800. Just there it goes. $10,000 in profits. I thought we had pretty nailed down, and all that green, a lot of it went to red. That was really disappointing, and that's why I'm late today. I just am disgusted with these markets. It's terrible. Even though we didn't technically lose money today, when you lose open trade profits, to me that's a loss, and that's what happened to us. We got into four positions, and actually those four positions, three of them are the same. Three of them are UVXY, which basically is a short on the overall market, and those are small profitable positions. But when the Dow was down here, those looked real good, and I was very comfortable being short the overall market. But right now, I don't know what to say. Anything can happen over the weekend, and anything will. So this thing could gap up on Monday, or it could go gap down. We're going to be in much better shape if it gaps down than if it gaps up. But I'm not going to sit here and say I'm hoping and praying that the Dow Jones Industrial crashes on Monday. That isn't what I want. But if it does, we'll make money on it. Let's just put it that way. I just can't. I tell you, I can't look at these darn charts anymore. So I'm not going to show you anything. There's really nothing to show you except to show you how disappointing today was. So I'm not going to do that. Hey, you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will be back here on Monday trading as usual.